Hey guys, it's Kimberly from the Fat Quarter Shop, and I am so excited to introduce you to the 2018 Designer Mystery Block of the Month that is only available at the Fat Quarter Shop. This is our 11th year of doing this, and it is by far our most popular item on our website. People love it, and we try to change it up every year. This year, we are using Joanna Figueroa's Ella Ollie collection, and the finishing kit is designed by her, and each of the blocks is designed by a wonderful Moda designer. Our first block is designed by Joanna Figueroa. You can sign up for this at the Fat Quarter Shop. We offer this where you can just get the blocks each month. You can also buy the finishing kit and the backing set. And color 2000 Aurifil works wonderfully for it. So this is just gonna give you a little peek into how you make block one. And I do wanna tell y'all, because we get complaints every year, this sells out. It starts in June 2018, and so if it's July 2018 and it's already sold out, I just want to say, I told you, so please don't complain. Sign up now. When you're making these blocks, use a 2.0 stitch length and a 1/4 inch seam allowance. You're going to start with our corner unit. You're going to take a fabric H square and a fabric E rectangle, press. Then add a fabric D rectangle and press. And with all of our patterns, if you follow the pressing, all of your seams are going to nest, which is going to make it a beautiful process. So this is our first part. Then you're going to take a fabric G square, draw a line from corner to corner with a friction pin. I'm using a friction pin because the ink will disappear with heat later. Put that on the bottom right corner. Stitch directly on your line, trim a 1/4 inch away, and press. That is going to look just like this. Then to the right, you're going to add a fabric B rectangle and press. Then add a fabric A rectangle and press. And it's going to look like this. It's coming together beautifully. We're going to use that same corner square technique with our fabric F square. Put that on the bottom right. Same technique, stitch on the line, trim a 1/4 inch away, and you are going to have a beautiful corner unit. You are going to make 4 of these for your block one. We're going to move to our petal unit. You're going to have 3 fabric C's, a fabric I, and 2 fabric J's. Just follow your pattern and notice that fabric C is a rectangle. So on this part, they go one direction, and on this part, they go a different direction. How's that for crazy math? Just follow your pattern and all of the math is in there. It's going to make total sense. So you're going to put these together and press, and these together and press. They're going to look just like this. We're going to sew those with a 1/4 inch seam. Then we're going to add a fabric A rectangle and stitch that together. So this is your petal unit, and you will be making 4. Let's put the block together. You've got your corner units and your petal units. Make sure your cream is on the inside and your triangles are also on the inside. And then you're going to add a fabric K square to the center. Now I want to mention that this fabric K square is the same in every block so that it kind of forms a consistency look to all of your blocks. And this is directional. I would pay attention to the direction. You just put these together like this and put the rows together. And ta-da! You've got a beautiful block one for Designer Mystery 2018. Sign up today.